Welcome to Rolling Luxe RV, the home of luxury on wheels. Here, we bring you into the world of motorhomes like you've never seen before. From in-depth reviews of the latest luxury RVs to smart travel tips, hidden features, and everything you need to know about life on the road in style. This channel is all about adventure, comfort, and innovation, wrapped in one rolling masterpiece. Whether you're dreaming of owning an RV, planning your first trip, or simply curious to explore the most luxurious motorhomes in the world, you're in the right place. So subscribe now, buckle up, and join us on this journey into the ultimate RV lifestyle. Only here on Rolling Luxe RV.